Guys, you've joined us live on Moneycontrol. I'm Manisha Gupta, and this week isn't ending so great for commodities as a market. So, whether it's about base metals or energy or gold and silver, it's ending in the negative for all of these, including cotton as well, where we are trading at around 1 month lows and we are in the negative of nearly 3% on the week itself. So, everything that has to do with industrial commodities is trading on the weaker side, and cotton is used in textiles. There is some of a margin and demand coming in back from ginning and textile mills. But when you look at the overall picture, and China is a bigger market there, they import huge quantities, the biggest importer rather. And we've seen the numbers in June and July continue to slide, and that's weighing onto the markets. The strength in US dollar index is another reason, and the global economic data coming in on the weaker side, where the textile demand or the textile imports showed weaker numbers, also seems to be bothering in. But majorly, the street is watching out for El Nino as a weather concern for the Indian markets as well, while the sowing seems fine. But it's going to be important to understand that in the month of August, until now, the rain deficiency is at 40%. So going forward on how and what is the impact of that going to be is something that the street will keep an eye on. The global 2023-24 estimates from various agencies are out. The US Department of Agriculture has cut down on its production by nearly 2 million bales. 114 million bales is what they're anticipating as a global production for 2023-24 as a year, while consumption, they expect that one to surge to almost 117 million bales. But that's not an enthusiasm that everybody else shares. So you have International Cotton Advisory Committee, which thinks that the production could be lower at 112.5 million bales, while consumption could be even lower at 109 million bales. Fitch also has come out with their estimates where they are putting production higher than everybody else at 116 million bales, and they are expecting consumption also as per USDA at around 116 million bales as well. While these are of course numbers and initial estimates, markets will watch out for how the industry does going forward, the kind of demand that the street will eventually see from China and from Europe is what we'll decide on where we see the prices going. But at this point in time, the expectations are that you wouldn't see a run up in prices. The supplies are less, but demand even lower, and that continues to be on the market.